Today, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy fall holiday favorite, a simple classic carrot cake with hints of orange, spice, and a dreamy, creamy cream cheese frosting. This gently spiced carrot cake uses a mixture of whole wheat and all-purpose flours for extra depth, grated carrots, and oil to keep it deliciously moist, and chopped walnuts add crunch and flavor. The smooth cream cheese frosting is the perfect complement, while walnut halves and toasted coconut chips add contrasting flavors. You can choose whether you want to go fancy and pretty by piping the frosting, or you can simply spread it on if you prefer. Either way, this carrot cake is an old-time favorite and a perennial winner. Are you ready? Let's get started. This recipe calls for the finely grated zest of 1 orange and the juice of 1 orange. Here we go. In a large bowl, first we have 1¼ cups or 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Next we have 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon or 100 grams of whole wheat pastry flour. We need 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and we need a pinch of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Whisk all this yumminess together, and in a separate bowl, whisk the oil, sugars, eggs, vanilla extract, and the orange zest and juice together until well combined. In a separate bowl,
Yum.
3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon or 180 grams of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup or 100 grams of superfine sugar, 1/2 cup or 100 grams of light brown sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the finely grated zest and juice of 1 orange. Here's the zest, and here's the juice. Whisk the oils, sugars, eggs, vanilla extract, and orange zest and juice together until well combined. So, we're going to pour the whisked mixture into the flour mix and stir until you have a smooth batter. It looks pretty smooth to me. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to stir in the grated carrots, the chopped walnuts, and the coconut chips. We have 2 cups or 200 grams of grated carrots. I mean, what's a carrot cake without the carrots? One cup or 100 grams of chopped walnuts, and 1/2 cup or 25 grams of coconut chips. That is one beautiful batter. Now that we've completed our batter, stirred in the grated carrots, chopped walnuts, and coconut chips, we're going to divide the mixture between the prepared pans and smooth the surface to level. Then we'll bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the cake is risen and springy to the touch. Let's get these babies in the oven. Baby number 1. Baby number 2. The cake has risen and is springy to the touch. There you have it. And so, my friends, here's our beautiful carrot cake. It's time to make the frosting. Everybody loves cream cheese frosting. Paul Hollywood says we're going to the book now. In a bowl using a handheld electric whisk, beat the butter until soft. Then add the confectioner's sugar and beat well until creamy. Finally, add the cream cheese and beat until just combined. Cover and chill until ready to use. To assemble, put the cream cheese frosting into a pastry bag fitted with a 1/2 inch plain tip. Pipe half the icing over one of the cooled cakes and sandwich them together with the other cake, piping the remaining frosting decoratively on top of the cake and finish with walnut halves and toasted coconut chips. So we have 5 tablespoons of butter, or 75 grams. Beat the butter until creamy. Now 1/2 cup or 50 grams of confectioner's sugar. Beat well until creamy. So next we're going to add 1 1/4 cups or 10 ounces or 300 grams of cream cheese. Bloop. And beat until just combined. There we have it, folks. Next we're going to load this into a piping bag. Okay, my friends. I am not a piping expert, but I am about to pipe this icing onto this beautiful carrot cake. Are you ready? Here we go. And there you have it. Goodness in every bake. Do please click the thumbs up like button and subscribe to my channel for lots more yummy and delicious treats for you to enjoy and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.